In a criminal law, whenever any case is filed against you, any criminal case is filed against you, you may receive a notice or you may receive a summons. You will not receive any warrant. Warrant will be accompanied with a person. Compulsorily, a person will be there for execution of the warrant. So warrant is not the topic here. We will know the fundamental difference between what is a notice and summons. Though if you just Google the difference between notice and summons, it may come one and the same. But in criminal law, you must understand the difference categorically, because if you don't respond to the notice, summons is issued. If you don't respond to the summons, warrant is issued. So the fundamental difference between notice and summons is, if you receive a document after investigation, then it is called summons. If you receive a document prior to investigation, it is called notice. It will be written somewhere on the piece of document whether it is a notice or the summons. Notice is optional. You can respond or there is no need for you to respond. It is optional. It is your choice. But summons, you must respond. There will be a time, there will be a place, there will be a date to appear at some place. So summons means compulsory appearance. Notice means optional appearance. Notice is prior to completing of the investigation. Summons means after completing the investigation. The best way to understand the difference between notice and summons is a check bounce case. Whenever check bounce case is filed, first notice is given. Summons is not given. Summons are not given initially. First notice is given. Because why? Because the witnesses did not come forward, or the court did not yet ascertain whether crime is committed or not. It will come to know, the court will come to know only when the notice is served and only when the accused appears. There could be many options prior to appearance of the accused. It could be a false case, it could be a stolen check. Anything can happen. Therefore, initially in a check bounce case, notice is given. So if he don't appear, then summons is given. So that is a fundamental difference between notice and summons. So the principle you have to remember is, prior to investigation, whatever the document that is circulated between the authorities, whether it will be court or the police, it will be notice. For example, 41A notice. It will be not called as 41A summons. Why? Because it is an option to respond. The accused can respond, choose to respond, or not choose to respond. So therefore, there is an option in the notice. Summons, you don't have any option. That is why after completing the investigation under section 204 of CRPC, judge issues summons ordering you to appear before him. Unlike 41A, it is called a notice. So notice can be issued by authorities, but summons generally is issued by courts. Courts only has the power to summon somebody. Though notice, sometimes notice also is given by the court, but that is optional. You can respond or choose to ignore the notice. It depends. So notice basically is giving information, making you acknowledge that something is going against you. So this is very important in the criminal law. The difference is very important. So whenever you receive a notice, it means it is under inquiry. The investigation is pending. But whenever you receive any summons, some conclusive evidence is there before the court. Therefore, court is summoning you. Don't ignore summons. You can choose to ignore notice. It is left to you. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, kindly comment.